What's up everyone, it's this guy, and today we'll be installing these all-weather mats into my wife's Toyota Rav4. In a previous video, we actually installed an all-weather mat into the cargo area on the back of the car. We liked it so much that we thought we absolutely need to put these guys in. Now these are also made by Medesasi. They're an Amazon seller that's been generous enough to hook us up with some additional mats.
Also to call out that these are compatible from the years 2013 all the way to 2018.
Now something a lot of people probably don't know about my wife and myself is that we do enjoy going hiking at least once a week. And when you go hiking, you tend to track a lot of stuff onto the bottom of your feet. That stuff will then transfer into our floor mats. That's why we're really excited to be putting these in. And swapping these out for the existing carpet is extremely easy. Now if you look at the bottom of the floor mat here, it's got these teeth all over it. It's gonna keep it from sliding around once we put it into the car. We've also got these really cool little circular guys right here as well. And same thing, these will also help with keeping it from sliding around. Okay, so we're gonna start with the passenger side one here. And to make it nice and easy, they've actually embossed on here where it says passenger side, so you can't make a mistake. Okay, so when it comes to installing them, super easy. I'm gonna take these old guys out, just pull them out of the way like this. They might wanna vacuum around in there though. And then the all-weather mat, it's just gonna sit right in here. And it's actually molded to fit exactly in here. Now, if you see that, you see how this is nice and cupped? That's actually gonna prevent water from seeping off the mats into your carpet. Okay, so now we're gonna be installing the one on the driver's side. It's got this really cool little cutout right here, and it kind of fits against the column, which is awesome. Now, when it comes to the driver's side, there's actually these little latches on here that lock your mat in place. Now, just like the Toyota branded OEM mats had those locking mechanisms, so do these guys here to keep it from sliding around. You probably don't need it though, because they also have all of the teeth on the bottom like the other mat did. And in order to release your mat, you just have to turn it like this. It'll come right out. We're just gonna repeat on the other side. Okay, and just like before, you're gonna grab the old floor mat and just pull it out. I know we should have vacuumed. The driver's side mat pretty much just slides right in again. Just like this. Fits like a glove. And just like the Toyota mats, you're gonna lock them in place by turning these little latches here. Now these have a really good snug fit, and again, they got this really high edge on here to prevent any kind of spillage or anything seeping off the floor mats. And then back here, this is where the column is at of your car here. A lot of us call that the pedal, and that's also got some protection to it. Okay, so back here is where things get really cool. We'll take these little guys out here. While I'm doing that, I want to call out that the Toyota mats, they end right there, and right down the center is an exposed piece of carpet. It has absolutely no protection. Now these Medesasi floor mats, look at that. Goes all the way across, and we got protection for the middle. Fantastic. Putting them in, pretty simple. Check this out. Perfect fit. And just like the other mats, check this out. They're cut really nice. They've got the nice high sides on them again. And when you get down towards the middle here, look at this. It's cut out and it protects all the way across. And most importantly, is that these bad boys are waterproof. Look at this. Not even going anywhere, just sitting there.